Welcome, here I've got ONEPLUS NORD CE 5G and let me show you how to turn on and off camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and now we have to slide a little bit to general category. Here we can find store location data option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using the button from the right, we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on location of this device, so remember about these two parameters, location and the internet, to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's move back to camera and take a photo. To see it, let's go to right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how my photo looks like. To check its location, we have to move to right corner button and pick details. And here, as you can see, we get access to location information with map and full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.